So at present, most of the students have been taught nearly 60 to 70% syllabus of the completed. As we were discussing that the students were devoid of having regular classes, so they have to go for new techniques and new modules, whatever the new techniques that will be coming in on the way. So most of the teachers were also unaware of these digital devices and how to develop lessons in the digital mode. So they have such teachers have been given training by these institutes, madam, by for example of Arvindo Society. So because of these societies, programs and trainings, most of the teachers have been educated, madam, educated so that they can develop their own modules in much better way, how they can reach to the students. So because of these modules and these techniques, many of the teachers have learned many new techniques, and now they are all implementing these new techniques and reaching to most of the students. Certainly there will be improvement because of these role model schools, madam. Because of these role model schools, the schools which are nearby and which are not implemented these techniques, they will also be getting influenced, and in turn they will be developing their schools also to role model. Role model schools, many of the teachers have done very wonderful jobs, madam. So it is a very good process. Certainly this initiative will definitely help all the students, madam, because students will be encouraged and motivated that they have completed some difficult tasks, and by this way they are also earning money. So most of the students are coming from backward areas, so they will also be getting benefited both financially and educational purpose also. Daily to daily mode, we are going on increasing, madam. So we have to overcome all the old techniques and we have to implement the new techniques, because in recent days all the exams will be being conducted on online mode, madam. So these type of techniques will be benefited by students, madam. Students, so as well as teachers, as well as students, by implementing the new modes and these techniques, the innovative ideas, madam. These innovative ideas will be helpful to both teachers and students.